a very, very important session.
Nyakor mgajuan kwa pododhi nyime gi weche mag Migago eneni rowere mawuoke counties mopogore e bwo riwruok mar Kenya Youth Organization. Owinjore mar tiyo kod lemo margi e telo mar manyo kaka ginyalo kedo kod midhiero majuko rowere ahinya to e dang'ni mar paro. Kana giloso e boma ma Kisii e kinde yawa pisi margi ma Kisii, jatelo mar riwruogno Josephine Chuchu okwayo piny owacho mondo omi rowere thuolo mar telo kaka achiel kuom yore mago mag tieko timbe mag maundu manyalo bedoe nikech rowere onge tich. Rowere ma hao counties e pacho kaendi ne ochopo e romo kendo pod gichano yaro badgi e counties duto 47.
We have brought the youths together, at least kuhakikisha that our youths wamesikika. Kuna the promises that our government promised the youths, ikiwemo mambo ya unemployment, ikiwemo mambo ya kuna hizo scholarships na kuna mambo ya bursaries. Na ndio maana tuko hapa kama youths kuhakikisha that we the youths tumesikika kwa serikali.
We are tired of being called a depressed generation. It's time we rise up, it's time we be unified and fight for our future. This is the right time we do that. The moment we start fighting each other, we are going to be called a dead generation, and the next coming generation won't have any hope. So this is why we are having Kenya Youth Organization, for us to come together and fight for our future.
We are very happy as the youths of Kenya. We want to start fighting for our rights, but peacefully. We want to involve all our leaders all over the country. They be with us, they work with us so that we come up, we make youth agendas a reality.
I've heard from the national chair that it is an aligned movement. Prepare yourselves for innovations, entrepreneurship and mentorship. Hapo ndio tunashida sisi kama wazazi na wazee. And you have also to network and work with the elders and government.